Today we're talking about Apigee X, underwater cables, and cloud DNS peering. Welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news. APIs are the backbone of digital transformation. And to help organizations navigate today's very challenging landscape, we're announcing Apigee X, a major release of our API management platform. Apigee X seamlessly weaves together Google Cloud's expertise in AI, security, and networking to help enterprises efficiently manage the assets on which digital transformation initiatives are built. We're thrilled to say bonjour to the Dunant submarine cable system. Named after Henry Dunant, which has been deployed and tested and is now ready for service. Dunant features a new design and will deliver record-breaking capacity of 250 terabytes per second across the large and vast ocean. This is enough to transmit the entire digitized Library of Congress 3 times every second. We're committed to building an excellent network with well-provisioned direct paths between our cloud and our customers. Take a look at this blog for more info. Sometimes application teams want to manage their own DNS records. There's a solution to support fine-grained IAM policies using cloud DNS peering. In this article, we explore how to use it to give your application teams autonomy over their DNS records, while ensuring that the central networking team maintains granular control over the entire environment. Machine learning, or ML, can help you solve hard business problems in new ways. But getting started can feel overwhelming. We're fortunate to have some great leaders in Google Cloud AI who have decades of experience and want to share some advice for getting started from their learnings. Check out the blog for some videos from our experts. If you want to read more about these announcements or see a full list, check out the link. Any thoughts or ideas? Leave us a comment or tweet us. Thank you for being here. We'll see you in the cloud. Cheers.